Chapter 4. Captain Ramon. At 8 p.m. It is dinner time at Don Carlos' home. The family is sitting at the table. Someone knocks at the door. A servant opens it and Zorro appears. Don Carlos, his wife and daughter stand up. They are scared. "Good evening," says Zorro. "Don't be scared. You are an honest man, Don Carlos. I only want some food and drink." Zorro goes to Lolita and whispers, "I cannot forget this afternoon in the patio. You must not come here. It is dangerous," whispers Lolita. Suddenly a young Spanish soldier enters the house. He is Captain Ramon. He wants to arrest Zorro. Zorro takes out his sword and they fight. The two men are good fighters. "I want to arrest you, Zorro," says Captain Ramon. "You are a public enemy. You cannot arrest me," says Zorro. Zorro injures the captain's shoulder with his sword. The captain falls to the floor. "Please help the captain," Zorro says to Don Carlos. Then he smiles at Lolita and rides away on his horse. Don Carlos' wife and daughter look after Captain Ramon's injured shoulder. The captain likes beautiful Lolita. "Don Carlos," says the captain, "I like Lolita very much. I come from a good family and I am the governor's friend. I am 23 years old and I am the captain of the Presidio. May I court Lolita? First, I must explain something," says Don Carlos. "Don Diego Vega wants to court Lolita too. Lolita must choose her husband herself, but you have my permission to court her." The next morning there is a lot of noise at the Presidio. Don Diego and other men are watching. There are many soldiers on their horses. They are listening to Sergeant Gonzalez. Today is an important day. We must find Zorro. We must look in every hacienda and in every home. Remember the governor's big reward. Let's go. That morning Don Diego sends a letter to Don Carlos. "My dear friend, Sergeant Gonzalez and his soldiers want to arrest Zorro. It is dangerous for you and your family to stay at your hacienda. Please come to my home in Reina de Los Angeles. It is safe in my home. I must go away for a few days. Your friend, Diego Vega." Don Carlos receives the letter and says, "What a generous invitation. Don Diego wants to protect Lolita. We must accept the invitation. Let us go immediately."